can career opportunities, and I want to improve my language skill. Science Elementary School. Very rarely. About celebrity news. Yes, because most of the program I read today tend to focus on celebrity news, comedy, and reality show. Encouraging television station to present more educational programs and documentary could provide better variety in programming choices. I once went to a Sundanese restaurant called Sapulidi Restaurant, Resort, and Gallery with my father family. There were various types of Sundanese food, but I only like one type of food, which was ayam kahasupan, which is traditional cooked chicken. And what adds to the taste of the food is the beautiful atmosphere of the restaurant, surrounded by views of rice fields and lakes, creating a pleasant dining experience. I think there are significant changes in the food consumption patterns of people today compared to the past. On the one hand, there is an increasing awareness of the importance of health and nutrition, but there is a lot of easy access to unhealthy food. So I think it depends on social as well as economic factor. It's very important to build and strengthen emotional connection between family members. Very much so as technology and food delivery apps have changed the way we choose and enjoy food, often encouraging less healthy diet with easy access to fast food. Because by going to a restaurant, people don't have to worry about food preparation, kitchen utensils, or cleaning up afterward, so they can focus more on the celebration itself. Yes, it depends on several factors, such as cooking skill as well as the quality of the ingredients. In my country, fast food restaurants tend to be more popular compared to traditional restaurants because they are more affordable and practical, which is sustainable for modern people who are often looking for efficient dining solutions.